Hello, and this is a message to the pupils and parents of the foundation phase. These are very exciting times in the lower school as we prepare to welcome the foundation phase pupils back after half term. Disgyblion, i ni'n edrych mlaen i'ch cael chi nôl. Pupils, we're really looking forward to seeing you back, and you'll be coming back year by year group. So on Monday, ar ddydd Llun, bydd plant blwyddyn 1, ar ddydd Mawrth on Tuesday, plant blwyddyn 2, ac ar ddydd Mercher, on Wednesday, meithrin a'r derbyn fydd yn dychwelyd. Felly ni'n edrych ymlaen i'ch gweld chi. Disgyblion, pupils, newch chi'n siŵr nawr pam chi'n dod nôl. Make sure when you return that you wash those hands very, very carefully and regularly during the day. A lot of hand washing to keep those hands clean. And parents and carers, you can really help us out here by making sure that you maintain social distancing on the schoolyard, on the school grounds, please, and also limit yourselves to one parent or carer to come onto campus each day at the start and at the end of each school day. This will make sure that we have a safe start to the term, and more importantly, we have a happy start to the new term. Edrych ymlaen yn fawr eich gweld chi. Really looking forward to seeing you all. Hwyl am y tro. Bye for now. Ta-ra.
Hello, Blant. Firstly, can I thank you all for all your hard work for this half term. We as teachers have enjoyed reading all your work and seeing your smiley, happy faces on the Google Meets every day. So thank you very much for that. Diolch yn fawr. Now, years 3 and 4 will continue to work like this for a little bit longer, but we are very excited about welcoming back Meithrin, Derbyn, years 1 and 2 after half term. And children, you need to realise that there's nothing to worry about. Everything's going to be the same as it was before Christmas. Coming in, leaving, break times, play times, lunchtime, everything the same, and you'll be back playing with your friends again. But if you are worried about anything, have any questions, please get your parents to email me or contact your class teachers with anything you're a little bit concerned about, and we can try and help you make you feel better. But the most important thing is, enjoy the holidays. You all deserve it. Edrych ymlaen at weld chi ar ôl y gwyliau. Hwyl fawr.